Hey guys, so we're back with another. My sister has been asking me to make a slime video, and so I wanted to make a slime video because I like slime. I like how it feels, but I don't care.
Because we already got one step done. We put some glue in here.
Yeah, we need 20 millimeters of this glue. And I think we need to put this in here. Yeah?
Oh, can I pour it in?
Anyway, assume size of the measuring cup with the wooden stick. Stick to obtain as much glue as possible. Okay, so I'll get your stick. Wash it. Okay, and wash the sides. Okay, wait, pause.
Hey.
Okay guys, so I need to add the glue thing. Okay. Cookie went somewhere else. I think she's coming. Okay.
Yes, I'm coming.
So now I gotta add. I added the glitter. Okay. So I think that should be enough. Oh my god, guys! Seriously. So this is getting like thicker.
I think
We need more activator. Yeah, a little bit more.
Do you even know what activator is? What it means or it does?
Yeah, it makes it better. It makes it thicker. Oh, I'm feeling it. Oh, I'm feeling it. Okay. Guys, so look at. Oh, he has his own channel. You can even hear it farting. Oh, guys, it's working.